Namaste, how are all of you doing? And today what we are talking about is what are the special foods especially for winter, especially for children. तो विंटर में हमको क्यों हमारा खाना बदल देना चाहिए? विंटर में हमको हमारा खाना इसलिए बदलना चाहिए क्योंकि हमारी पूरी की पूरी सेहत हम लोग क्या खाते हैं इस बात पे निर्भर होती है और उसी के ऊपर निर्भर होती है अब हमारी इम्यूनिटी. सो इफ यू वांट योर इम्यूनिटी टू बी इन अ गुड प्लेस, if you want to cope up with with all the ill effects that WFH is bringing, क्योंकि WFH के साथ साथ हम सभी लोग कई ज़्यादा आवर्स के लिए एक ही जगह पर बैठे बैठे काम करते रहते हैं. सो देर आर जॉइंट प्रॉब्लम्स एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट. यू ऑल मस्ट ऑलरेडी बी नोइंग कि वैसे भी सर्दियों में जॉइंट्स की प्रॉब्लम्स बढ़ी जाती हैं. And then there is of course the regular problem of skin breakage, skin breaking out, lips being too dry and chappy, the nails not looking good, and hair fall. So I'm going to be telling you the winter foods which have traditionally been consumed in this country during this season, so that you have a robust and a strong immune system, so that you have flawless skin, so that you have chirpy, cheerful mood, good, well lubricated joints, and of course a flat stomach and no constipation. So what are the things that you need to be eating this season? So number one, this is the time to eat bajra. Bajra is also known as pearl millet in English, and it is also known as bajri in Marathi, if I am not wrong. You will find various names for it across the nation, and bajra is just versatile. You can make it into multiple things. So you could make it into a bajre ki roti or bajre ki bhakri. You can make it into bajre ka laddu. You can also make khichdi out of bajra. There are still traditions which are turning it into papad, bajre ka papad, imagine. And for all the lovers of thalipi, there is bajre ki thalipi. And thalipi involves quite a lot of grains and pulses. They all come together. It is a traditional Marathi snack where bajra is also employed. So bajra is at the forefront. Bajra is the forerunner for thalipi in Marathi. Alright. So what all can bajra offer you? Bajra offers you fiber. It offers you vitamin B. It also offers you, and this is something which is going to interest you a lot, it offers you an ability to make your hair denser, the volume increases, and take out all the frizz from the hair, which is also the reason why bajra is also one of the post-lactation foods, because pregnancy के बाद pregnant women के बाल झड़ते हैं. So at that time, pregnant women also need bajra. It is traditionally the heaty grain. So do not eat it during summers, do not eat it during the monsoons, but winter is the time to eat bajra, and all the way up to February, which also means that you should not be eating things like multi-grain atta, multi-grain breads, which are available in the market. So what does bajra look like? It looks like a coarse dark grayish flour, and it is extremely good for everyone, especially for people with diabetes, cholesterol, fatty liver, anyone suffering from PCOD or low iron levels, anyone who just wants to eat correctly and healthily. So bajra is one of the superfoods for winter. The second superfood is now an almost forgotten superfood which is gond or raisin. It is a little small seed, and traditionally it would get converted into a laddu, gond ka laddu. Now, why is gond important? Gond is important because it has the ability to lubricate your joints. It has the ability to strengthen your bones, and it also works as a digestive aid for all the people who have bleeding problem, bleeding for many days. You know, you're having periods for 10 days or going up to 15 days, then please start eating gond after the 5th or the 6th day, and it will help you to control your bleeding. For the rest of you, for all the people जिनको गैस चढ़ता है, कंधे में गैस चढ़ गया, सर में गैस चढ़ गया, especially during winter, what you need to be eating is just gond. Gond can be eaten in the form of laddus. Sometimes, you know, it's just lightly roasted in ghee, sprinkled with sugar and eaten, and other times they just make a gond pan. So you can talk to your grandmother and she will be able to tell you exactly how to use it. It's really good for your WFH. Okay, so gond is the way to go. The third superfood, of course, this is a time for green leafy vegetables. And if monsoon meant not eating green vegetables, this winter time means you start eating your greens. So palak, the methi, the sarson ka saag, the many other kinds of sags which you will get, you know, इतने ज़्यादा हैं कि आधों के तो नाम भी हमें नहीं पता. Traditionally, सरसों का साग would be made with 9 different green leafy vegetables. So can you imagine that? Not just sarson, but 9 different green leafy vegetables. Pudina is there. पुदीने की चटनी का भी time है ये. But the most special green leafy vegetable that I want to bring your attention to is the green lasan. The green lasan, as we call it. Green lasan is what you will find only right now. You can turn it into a chutney along with your pudine ki chutney, and you can use it with roti or parantha. It is anti-inflammatory. So green lasan is what you need. If during this lockdown you are suffering from anxiety and panic attacks, and you are having a lot of heat in your hands and your legs, if you're feeling a lot of heat generating in your food pipe, the esophagus, then green lasan is the way to go. You need to be really consuming this special green leafy vegetable with all the other green leafy vegetables. So you have so many green leafy vegetables to choose from. You don't really need to go out and buy some exotic or imported broccoli or avocado. You know, you also find green leafy vegetables like papri, which have got beans inside. Then you also find vegetables like kand, which are locally available in India. Alright, so all these vegetables can be consumed. And kand and root vegetables are also important during this time. These are all the vegetables which one is supposed to be eating during the fasting season. So kand or root veggies, they are a storehouse of energy. They have fiber, and this fiber is prebiotic. This will actually feed the good bacteria in your stomach. So if you want a flat stomach, you should be eating kand. And it is really very good for eye health. So colored foods are very good for eye health. तो हमें लगता है कि हम कौन से कलर का क्या food खाएं. So all these root vegetables, they are all colored. So you should be consuming all these root veggies. You know, they are brown, they grow under the soil, but at the end of the day, they are still colored. They prevent malnourishment for the eyes. So all the people who are suffering from B12 deficiency, you should be eating these kinds of things. So you are actually strengthening your body's ability to assimilate B12 from the food that you are eating. Kand is celebrated across India. So you should be consuming kand. It is also one of the fasting foods. Then of course you are eating fresh fruits of the season. So what are the fresh fruits of the winter season? There is peru or amrud, guava. There is sitafal. There is kurmani. For people in Himachal, there is also apple. There are other seasonal fruits also. The sitafal and peru, make sure that you are eating them. A whole lot of people who are having non-communicable diseases like diabetes, they just stop eating sitafal because they feel कि नहीं ये बहुत मीठा है. तो याद रखिए कि फल मीठा होना ये फल का virtue होता है. It is a great thing about the fruit. It has to be sweet. It's not a bad thing. So all the diabetic people can eat sitafal. It is rich in vitamin B, it is rich in fiber, it is also a source of iron. So invariably when you take medicines for diabetes, you will end up with constipation, and sitafal can help you with that. So sitafal, peru, kurmani, apple, make sure that there are fresh fruits on your kitchen counter. Then of course the winter food which is special is til. तिल की चिक्की बनती है, तिल का गजक बनता है, तिल की चटनी बनती है, तिल का मसाला पाउडर बनता है. Til is grown across the country. It is black in color. It can also be purchased from the supermarket. You can also get it polished so that it becomes creamish in color. So til में आपको मिलेंगे essential fatty acids. And if you are struggling from nail and skin problems, then til is what you should be eating. If you're having hair fall and inadequate vitamin E, then til is what you should be eating. It is also good for heart health. Vitamin E is important for heart health, and til is a good source. Another thing which is good for you at this time of the year is of course peanuts. Moongfali, that's the next superfood. Peanuts are also recognized as the world's healthiest food. World's healthiest nut. You can eat peanuts in any form. पूरे शेल के साथ आप इसको कुक कर सकते हैं, या फिर आप सेंग दाना ऐसे ही खा सकते हो. You can roast it, you can fry it, you can eat it in the form of a chutney. I like to eat my peanuts in the form of a chutney or a masala powder. You can eat it with roti, bhakri or paratha, and you will find that there is nothing which tastes as good as this. Then there is of course ghee. Ghee, by now you know that you should be eating. If you have been watching my videos, I'm always talking about ghee. Especially during winter, you need to eat more ghee. All these foods, all these winter foods require more ghee for digestion and also for enhancing the flavor of the cuisines which are cooked from these winter foods. Yaad rakhiye, vitamin D deficiency is making people prone to more complications of COVID. Ghee is an essential fat. It allows for easier assimilation of fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin D. That's just one reason why you need to be eating more of ghee. But during this winter season is also the time to be eating makhan or homemade white butter. This is the butter which is made at your home. Excellent for bones and joints. So all of you who are spending long hours on the screen, especially little children who are online schooling for almost 4 or 5 hours every day, बाजरे की रोटी ऊपर से एक बड़ा सा मक्खन का blob, and you will be just fine. A lot of people with heart health issues avoid ghee and makhan. There is nothing wrong with ghee and makhan. It will only help your cardiorespiratory system. It will not damage your heart. It has a heart protecting effect. So do not worry about homemade ghee and homemade makhan. Then of course, last but not the least, before I wrap up the video, there are pulses. Pulses like kurit, horse gram. I've spoken a lot about horse gram many times in the past. Pulses are so important for you that the latest food guide, the Canada Food Guide, calls pulses as a source of both vegetable and protein because of its rich amino acid and vitamin B and fiber profile. A lot of you often ask me, like in kurit दिखता कैसा है? So this image which is playing on your screen right now, this is exactly what kurit looks like. So you can make an usad out of it, you can make a dal out of it. I come from the region of Uttar Pradesh, so we can make atta out of kurit. You can make chilla out of kurit also. You can make dosa out of kurit. So all of you who are planning to just holiday in Goa, don't just holiday in Goa. During winters, start consuming all these pulses, especially horse gram or kurit. There are of course other pulses also like tuar ki dal or arhar ki dal. Then there is chane ki dal. There is whole green gram dal. So hari dal, hari sabut moong ki dal. Whatever you are eating, आप जो कुछ भी खाएं, जितनी भी दालें खाएं, उनमें बस आप ध्यान रखें कि सर्दियों के मौसम में पीली दालें जरूर खाएं. अरहर की दाल, तुअर की दाल, चने की दाल एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली कुरित की दाल और horse gram. You need to integrate them into your winter superfoods. Remember, superfoods are nothing but foods which are local, seasonal and traditional. And they become super when you cook them using time-tested recipes. Time-tested recipes from India. So that's all from me today. I look forward to seeing all of you tomorrow. Here's to integrating at least these 10 foods into your winter diet so that you have a flat stomach, you have flawless skin, you have nice, beautiful, glossy hair, and no constipation and no disease. So that's all from me. So all the children out there, start consuming these 10 winter superfoods and you will be just fine. Trust me. God bless you all and I love you all. Bye bye.